If you think investing is complicated or that you need a lot of money to start, that's exactly why most people never begin. But the truth is, you can start investing today with a small amount of money, and it can completely change your future. Most people wait, they overthink, they try to learn everything first, and in the process, they lose years of growth because while they're waiting, their money is just sitting there, losing value every single year due to inflation. So instead of your money growing, it's actually shrinking in what it can buy. That's where investing comes in. Investing is simply putting your money into assets that can grow over time, so your money starts working for you instead of just sitting idle. And here's the part most people get wrong. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. You can start with $50, $100, even less. What actually matters is not how much you start with, but how consistently you invest. Now, the next question is, where do you invest? The simplest answer, index funds. Instead of trying to pick the perfect stock, index funds let you invest in hundreds of companies all at once, so you're not relying on one company. You're betting on the overall market. Over time, that has proven to be one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. To get started, you'll need a brokerage account. This is just an app or platform where you can buy investments. It takes a few minutes to set up, and once it's ready, you're good to go. Now, here's where things really start to work in your favor. Instead of investing once and forgetting about it, you invest regularly. Every week or every month, money goes in automatically. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it helps you stay consistent without worrying about timing the market. Because the truth is, no one can predict the market perfectly. It will go up and it will go down, and that's completely normal. But here's the mistake beginners make. When the market drops, they panic, they stop investing, or they sell everything. But in reality, those drops are when opportunities are created. That's when things are on sale. And the people who build real wealth understand this. They don't try to time the market, they stay invested consistently over time, because wealth isn't built in days or weeks. It's built over years through patience and discipline. Now imagine this. You invest a small amount every month, and you keep doing it. Over time, that money starts to grow. Then it starts compounding. And before you know it, it turns into something significant. Not because of luck, but because you started, and you stayed consistent. So if you've been waiting for the right time to invest, this is it. Start small, keep it simple, and stay consistent. And if you want to learn more about building wealth the smart way, subscribe and start your journey today.